be afraid to be yourself.
You got to understand one thing. You got to be in this thing for the long game. If you're in it for the short game, if you're in it to, you know, like I'm doing videos on YouTube, if you're in it to be a YouTuber, if you're in it to jump to superstar, high class, whatever status overnight, then not saying that it can't happen, but you need to prepare to be in it for the long game.
So no matter what fault that you have, what look that you have about yourself that you don't necessarily care for, those things don't matter. You may encounter people in your classroom that want to talk about you because you signed a purity contract. Who do you think you are? My bar too kind of high. I think I am somebody. I know I am somebody. That mirror that you got, all the things that the negatives that you have, it ought to be combated immediately with who you really are, who you truly are. Your individualism, you stand alone. You stand alone, you stand courageous by yourself.
Where are your dollars being spent currently? Because again, without knowing where your time and your money is, it's very difficult to figure out the formula that's right for you to really produce the thing that you want. To start a business part-time, that means you're already dealing with something that's taking up full-time and potentially most of your money.
So the reason why I'm telling you all these things, like my whole talk is about individualism, all of these things define who you are. None of this is outside of you.
Pursuing your greatest desires. First of all, what is your great desire? What is the thing that you want? And so imagine, truly imagine, taking the barriers and the limits off of what you think somebody will or will not do.
Your situations and the things that you're involved in, things that you're surrounded in, they can help shape you, but it shouldn't define you. So you define who it is that you're going to become. Know who you are. Walk in who you are. Become who you want to become, and then you can truly walk in your purpose.